Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about the best shopping app on any device. If you're on your mobile, doesn't matter if it's an Android or an iOS or just on the web browser just the way I am, you can and the application I'm talking about is Amazon. You can download it on your Google Play Store, from your Google Play Store, or from your App Store depending on what device you're using, on what OS you're using. So why is Amazon the best? Well, Amazon's the best in my opinion because they sell almost everything. Gaming accessories, computer accessories, your home, your health stuff, your electronics, babies products, you name it, they have it. Let's just go over to the light section, right? Look at that. They've got LED lights. Who doesn't like some LED lights? I love LED lights. My room is filled with them. You wanna get something for your gaming? Let's head over to the gaming mouse. Look, tons of mouses with great deals. You don't get this type of deals in shops or in other stores. Well, Amazon gives you these deals because, hey, it's Amazon. They give amazing deals to everyone. Razer Orochi, this mouse is $70. It's being sold for $27.99. That is a steal in my books. So, you want to know what the best shopping app is? It's Amazon. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.